Alright guys, so I found this Xbox fridge right here, and I found this Xbox fridge right here, guys, and kind of want it. It's a fridge, you can put Cokes in it. Well, how many stuff? You can only put like, I don't know how many cans you can put in it, how many cans it fit, but like, it holds up to 8 soda cans. You can only put 8 cans in this fridge. 8 soda cans. I want that Xbox fridge, guys. Oh yeah. But this is Grand Theft Auto. This is Grand Theft Auto Trilogy. This is Grand Theft Auto Trilogy, the definitive edition. This is Grand Theft Auto Trilogy definitive edition. And this is Grand Theft Auto 5. I have an Xbox Series X, guys. Like, can you explain to me in the comments why are they putting those discs in that cover thingy? Not the green, not the game cover. Not like the, well, I'm talking about that white thing or silver thing or plastic. I mean that thingy, plastic thingy, guys. Like, why are they putting that on there? And like, why are they putting that thingy on there? Can you explain to me in the comments why they're putting those in that cover? Not the game on, not that green thingy, and not that blue thingy over there. They're even putting that from the PlayStation. I don't know if I should make a blue challenge, even if my religion's not right. It's not, I mean, it's not Christian love. I'm from Iraq, guys. And this is the PS5 game. I mean, the PS4 game. PlayStation 4. I like to say the full word. I like saying the full word. Like, they have it in that plastic thingy. And look, like, why are they having that plastic thingy? Not that blue thing, not the games thingy. You know what I'm talking about, guys. You know what I mean, guys. PS5 games, the PS4 games, PlayStation 4 to PlayStation 5 games. I don't know why you're putting that in that thing. What's being called right now. And the PlayStation X right now, thingy. And yeah. But I gotta go now, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on all post notifications bell. Ask me and tell me in the comments if I should get that fridge or not. But comment, like, subscribe, turn on all post notifications, and comment down there below. Gotta go fast right now, guys. I gotta go right now. And yeah, bye guys, peace. Yeah, bye guys, peace.